What were the disciples waiting for? The arrival of the Holy Spirit. What was the name of the festival everyone had come to celebrate? Pentecost. When the Holy Spirit came, what did it sound like? The blowing of a violent wind. What came to rest on each of the disciples? Tongues of fire. What gift did the Holy Spirit give to the disciples? They were able to speak in different languages. Who stood up and spoke to the crowd? Peter. Who did Peter say Jesus was? Lord and Messiah. What did Peter tell the people to do? Say sorry to God and be baptized. How many people were baptized on the day of Pentecost? 3,000. Does anyone know how many days it was from Jesus' resurrection to Pentecost? 50 days.